I say, is we rolling? I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Router. I'm about to do a tire on this semi-truck. Get this footage this time because a lot of my semi-truck calls, I can't get it with y'all. The footage don't come out good for whatever reason. I'm doing this outside tire. All my tire guys know that is the easiest tire that you can do on a truck. All I'm gonna do is get her to back up on this block. I'm gonna let the air out of that tire and we're gonna be in and out in a few minutes. Watch it. Whenever you ready. Come on back. When I tell you they're about to be easy work. Come on. All right, hold. Easy work. I'm just gonna let that out the tire. We're gonna break that joker down. Put that other tire on, add that up. I'm gonna get on about my business. I'm gonna take my black self home. So, I'm gonna use one of these to let the air out. Probably this black one. If I can get in there good, which I can. And that valve stem, I think, is in the perfect position. I wish I had a better angle to show you guys. It is what it is. You're just gonna have to believe me. It's gonna get loud here in a second. I'm just letting the air out the tire. Now, while I let the air out that tire, I'm gonna go on and get my tools and stuff together. That includes lubing up this tire, the new tire that I'm putting on. And look at that lube. I mean, check out that consistency. We're gonna lube that joker up nice. You don't really need them but 1 or 2 swabs and that joker good to go. Especially when you got some good soap made up. I'm gonna grab my soap water. Get my bars and my hammer. I love that bar. I love that hammer. Let me grab my bars. Let's get it. And she got a hand hook on there. That hand hook shouldn't be hard to get off of there. We're gonna see. With an aluminum wheel. Right now I'm just making sure I soak both sides. Watch me work. Oh Lord. I hurt him. I'm gonna take my time so y'all can see how this thing is done. I'm gonna break that back side. Let me grab a rag because I don't want to scuff that aluminum wheel. And I'll tell you it's probably gonna be the easiest job I done did today. What I should have did was bring my tripod because I know I'm kind of close to it with this camera, so you might not be able to get a good look at what I'm doing. But while I got that tire off and I got the space to maneuver, I'm gonna put that valve core on. I'll put the valve core back in. This type of valve tool, it clicks when you're tight. It torques it down. We good. What's going on?
That was below the
It's low. I can give you an exact number once I get done.
Okay, I was scared just Friday. I'm just trying to get back on the road today because I had been out for a while. Scared to go down there near Savannah.
I don't blame you because it is kind of low. It's lower than all your other tires. And being safe is the name of the game. You know what I'm saying? Ready grip.
Eventually change them all over to this style and get out of this pattern here because this right here, I believe, causes me a lot of traction loss.
You think so?
Yeah.
Are you doing mostly like pavement? Are you going off like to gravel? Are you going off the gravel and running over dirt, rocks?
Okay.
Just all pavement?
Yeah. Especially when it's raining. You know, it's mostly when I'm parked.
Yeah.
But I do my park too.
Of course. Let's get right. Y'all, I'm gonna end this real quick so I can get it aired up. I'm gonna come back in a second, okay? We back. I done got that joker sealed on the wheel. We just airing it up. And with these semi-truck tires, I can't air them up with the air that I got built up, so I'm gonna go ahead and just crank it up. But essentially, we're done. Oh, you gonna do that? While that tire's airing up, I'm gonna go on and put my tools up. I'm gonna be real with y'all, man. It was a mega success. No issues, no problem. Gotta put that cap on that starting fluid. I think that's everything over here. She's at 55. I'm gonna put her up to about 90. Can't forget about that valve core tool, or that valve core tool. Easy work, baby. Once that joker up, I'm gonna just get her to pull forward off that block that's up under there, and we're gonna keep it moving. It don't get no better than this. She's at 70. We almost there. I forgot she wanted me to check the tread on this tire, so while it's airing up, I'm gonna do just that. She wanted to see how low it was. I'm banking on like a 3/32 tread there. If you know what it is, you know what it is. Some of y'all might not. Shoot, she is at a 3/32. That's the lowest point. She's at a 4, almost a 3 on the edges. And she's at a 3 in the middle. So the edges are like a 4, almost a 3. The middle was a 3. So yeah, she definitely need to take that off. She was in the danger zone. That tire's aired up. Hey, Amanda. I'm gonna get you to go in and pull forward for me. I ain't see her on the phone in there. All we're gonna do now is just get her to roll off that block, and that's a job well done. Whenever she ready. Go ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies. That was another success. Job over. Let me cut this camera off. Take my fat self to the house. Thank y'all for coming on this job with me, man. I am out of here. It is over.